Amrial. The second lady, His Eminence, the National Chief Imam,
Can I get two chairs?
the Anglican Bishop of Accra, the Chief of Staff, Ministers of State, members of the Council of State, Ministers of State, members of Parliament, members of the Diplomatic Corps, eminent Imam, clergy, senior staff of the Presidency, distinguished guests, members of the media, my brothers and sisters, I greet you in the Islamic greetings of love, peace, and fraternity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. On behalf of His Excellency the President, Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo, and the government, I welcome you all once again to the annual Jubilee House Iftar. It's always exciting and a great privilege for me to welcome you and host my fathers and mothers, brothers and sisters to the seat of government, the Jubilee House, during the month of Ramadan for Iftar. I note that today is a public holiday and many of you would normally have been at home, and today you have made the effort to come to Jubilee House for the Iftar. I thank you so much. I also want to thank our father, the National Chief Imam, who so unfortunately lost his wife last week, and he is in mourning. Notwithstanding, in fact, I didn't expect that he will make it, but he said that he will not miss this annual Iftar event, and he has honored us with his presence, and we thank him. May Allah continue to bless him. Since 2017, we have, as a government, observed the Jubilee House Iftar, and it's really a platform where not only the leadership and members of the Muslim community in Ghana, including the diplomatic corps, congregate to observe one of the most important elements of Ramadan, the Iftar. It has also become a shared platform where our Christian brothers, including the clergy, join our imams to partake in the Iftar. This is a beautiful display of camaraderie between the nation's two dominant religious groups right here at the seat of government. And what we are doing in Ghana is also the same that takes place in the White House in the US, in Downing Street in the UK, number 10, and other countries where we are observing Iftar at the seat of government. As many of you know, the month of Ramadan is very special to us. It's sacred to us Muslims. It is the month in which the Holy Quran was revealed to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it is a month for reflection, for unity, for compassion, for generosity, and for regular recitation of the Quran, and for intense supplications to the Almighty Allah for prosperity for ourselves and our loved ones. As many of you know, I was elected as flag bearer of the new Patriotic Party to the surprise of many. What is so interesting and so beautiful about my election was that in the NPP, the overwhelming majority of members and delegates are Christian. But the majority of these Christians voted for me to beautifully demonstrate the diversity of our party and our nation. And I am forever grateful for that generosity. I would like to say that when we came into office, one of the biggest platforms we wanted to bring into fruition was the platform of inclusion, to make sure everybody in Ghana was a part of Ghana. We didn't want anyone excluded. And this is why if you look at our policies, you see free SHS, free TVET, one constituency, one ambulance, one district, one factory, one student, one laptop, just to make sure everybody is included. And therefore, we established a vehicle for the Zongo communities, known as the Zongo Development Fund, and to make sure we included the Zongo communities in our governance. And this Zongo Development Fund has completed over 200 projects, including classrooms, libraries, clinics, drainage systems, and so on. And before all of you leave, we will be handing you a brochure which captures all the work that we have done in all the Zongo communities in Ghana. You will see all the pictures across, and this will be handed to everyone before you leave. I know it's time to break the fast, so let me bring my remarks to a close and thank you all for making the time to join us to break the fast. May God bless you and may God bless our homeland, Ghana. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Do it well, do it well, do it well, do it well, do it well. Do it well. Give him applause. Thank you so much. Thank you for that brief presentation. Bear with us. We will just call the Azan just now. But because Chief Imam will be leaving us, he will say special prayer for us. Then we'll call the Azan. So when the Chief Imam says the Maghrib prayer,
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.